Welcome to another Anatomy and Physiology Smart Art video where we guide you through an important piece of art. After watching this video, you should be able to describe the structural and functional features of a liver lobule. Looking at these images, we can see the four lobes of the liver: right, left, caudate, and quadrate. Liver lobes are divided into thousands of liver lobules. A liver lobule is the functional unit of the liver. Let's take a closer look at a lobule and examine its structure and function. A liver lobule is roughly hexagonal or six-sided and composed of hepatocytes, which is the anatomical term for liver cells. Through selective absorption, these cells control circulating levels of nutrients, and they also secrete bile. Hepatocytes are arranged like the spokes of a wheel radiating from the central vein, located at the center of the lobule. Spaces between the hepatocytes, called liver sinusoids, channel blood toward the central vein. Along the sinusoidal lining, phagocytic cells called stellate macrophages engulf pathogens, cell debris, and damaged red blood cells. Stellate macrophages also store ingested iron, lipids, and heavy metals. Located at each of the six corners of a liver lobule is a portal triad consisting of three structures: an interlobular bile duct, interlobular vein, and interlobular artery. The arterial and venous blood travels to the central vein and then to hepatic veins that empty into the inferior vena cava. The liver is unique, as it not only receives arterial blood, as all organs do, but also receives venous blood. About 1/3 of the blood entering the liver is arterial and comes from the hepatic artery proper, while the rest is venous blood from the hepatic portal vein. In this hepatic portal system, interlobular veins, branches of the hepatic portal vein, receive blood from the abdominal digestive viscera and deliver it to the liver. Unlike arterial blood, venous blood does not nourish the liver. Instead, it allows the liver to receive and process newly ingested nutrients, as well as possible toxins or poisons, which may be metabolized here before distributed to the rest of the body. Liver lobules also release bile, an exocrine secretion containing acidic bile salts that are necessary for emulsifying lipids to aid in their digestion. Produced by hepatocytes, bile is secreted first into bile canaliculi, then bile ductules, and then interlobular bile ducts, and finally to the right and left bile ducts, which carry it away from the liver. Bile is then directed into either the right or left hepatic ducts, followed by the common hepatic duct. Bile then flows into the cystic duct for storage in the gallbladder, or into the bile duct, sometimes called the common bile duct, that empties directly into the duodenum. Bile will be released from the gallbladder via the cystic duct when you consume a meal with a moderate to high fat content. Notice also in this image the hepatic portal vein and hepatic artery headed into the liver. Branches of these vessels eventually form the interlobular veins and arteries of the portal triad. In summary, the liver lobule is the basic functional unit of the liver. It is hexagonal in shape, has a central vein, and contains a portal triad at each corner. Blood is delivered to the lobule via interlobular arteries and veins that mixes as it flows through liver sinusoids towards a central vein. Liver lobules also produce bile, which exits the lobule via bile canaliculi and then interlobular bile ducts. So what? Why is it important to understand the structure and function of a liver lobule? Well, this knowledge is crucial to understanding liver diseases such as cirrhosis of the liver, viral hepatitis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. All of these conditions, through a variety of causes, interfere with liver function. They can impair blood flow and raise blood pressure within the lobules, damage hepatocytes, scar or inflame the liver, or cause fat deposits within the lobules. Patients suffer a variety of signs and symptoms as their liver fails, such as yellow skin and eyes known as jaundice, an accumulation of bilirubin which is normally excreted by a healthy liver. Abdominal swelling, called ascites, and mental confusion as toxins accumulate in the body can also occur. The incidence of liver disease is increasing, and it remains a challenge to present and future clinicians.